It's Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, but usually I upload every single day, so you're going to want to subscribe. I'm partnering with the Wig Company again. Wig Company and I are partnering again. They're so wonderful. I love the Wig Company. And I have this little cutie. I actually, when I first opened it, I was not sure how I'd feel about it, but I'm kind of digging her. Let's get into it anyway. So this is Miss New Daisy. I have her in the color 14/16H. Cap size is average. You'll see me getting her together, which honestly, I just slapped her on, finger combed her, adjust her, that was it. You'll see the cap construction and everything after I'm done with this part of the review. Comes in this gorgeous box here. This is a full cap wig, so comfortable. So if you are someone who has issues with your scalp, be it because of alopecia or some type of treatment or, you know, any other type of hair loss or sensitivities, this would be a great, their wigs in general have really great caps, but this one especially. I like how it sort of hugs. It hugs so that you can really, it looks natural. It does even have the earpieces like you normally would. I really, really love that. Let's look at her from the back. See, I like how it's sort of coming down. This is so important in short wigs. There's a little bit of filler fiber here, so it's giving it a little bit of, sort of teased fullness. But this right here is what, to me, gives it away of whether it's quality or not. Where it really hugs naturally to the neck so that you cannot tell that you're wearing a wig. You can sort of tossle this around and, yeah, you could go, this way or, whatever way. I just sort of liked it like this, and I'm just raking my fingernails across there just to get, the tassel that I want. You could take some styling cream to it, but I don't think you need to. This is sort of a yucky texture. It's like a textured wig, so wherever you put it, it's going to stay. It's super cute. If I were to wear a wig like this, which normally I don't like short wigs, but it's very comfortable. I think it's a flattering style. I love the color in general, but when wigs are this short, for me, I would like it to be just a hair darker. But other than that, I think it's super cute. It's giving me a little Mia Farrow situation. You could take some styling cream to her. You could spike it up or not. I just think that if this is your kind of style, this would be an easy put it on, go, let's move on with our day, and it would be comfortable. So yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. I have to say I was a little reluctant to review this wig when I opened it because I just didn't know what it was going to look like. But that just goes to show sometimes right out of the box, wigs can look so crazy. But you need to hold on, give it a chance, hold on. And yeah, it's so comfortable. There's no combs in this. It's not going anywhere. So that's definitely a plus. I reviewed several wigs from the Wig Company. I'll put the playlist down below. If you haven't yet, please go over to their Instagram, which I will put right here, and follow them. They're just a great company, quality wigs, all that jazz. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. Big thank you to the Wig Company, and I will see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.